where texture meets artistry. Discover the quiet strength of handcrafted design with Makaw Decorative Lime Plaster and Effect Paints. Filigree wall design features a shiny golden base. Layered grays and handcrafted with a filigree design bringing subtle movement and meditative detail. To achieve this elegant wall design, you'll need Makaw Lime Plaster in orange apricot, white, and gray koala, along with Makaw Gold Effect Paint, metal trowel, and your stencil of choice. Begin with a clean, smooth surface. Apply Makaw Orange Apricot Lime Plaster as your first coat. Let it dry for 30 minutes. Once dry, lightly layer Makaw Gold Effect Paint to add a metallic shimmer. With the stencil in place, carefully apply white and gray lime plaster to create the filigree pattern. Finally, use the damp technique with your metal trowel to softly blend gray koala for a diffused textural finish. Filigree, a new wall design from Makaw Decorative Lime Plaster and Effect Paints, available in all SINCLAIR Pro Store nationwide.